Hi friends, this is Raghu here. You are watching Raghuview. Friends, today I am going to prepare one special egg recipe, that is Egg Paddu. Friends, now let's go to the video. Before that, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Come friends, let's go to the video. Friends, now apply some oil to this. Friends, keep it in a low flame while preparing this. Friends, now break eggs. Friends, this is a easy recipe. Every kids will like this. Friends, keep it in a low flame. Don't keep it in a high flame. Now we break all the eggs to this. Now just add some onions for each egg. This is very easy friends to prepare. Keep it in a low flame. I am telling you again and again. You can add more onions as per your requirement. Now in this just add green chili. Just 1 or 2 is enough. This is enough. In this, now add some pepper powder. Yes, this is a very easy recipe that everyone can like and eat. We are preparing omelette all the time. So instead of omelette, we can prepare this. Now just add some Kashmiri chili powder. Just add little. Now after adding this, just add some salt as per your taste. Now apply some coriander to this. Just sprinkle. Now close the lid for 5 minutes. Friends, now after 5 minutes I am opening the lid. Now just break this. We need to rotate this. Friends, now make the circle like this and just leave it for another 1 or 2 minutes. Friends, this is a very tasty recipe. Everyone can enjoy this. Probably I like this very much. Just make the rounds like this. Friends, now rotate this to another side like this. Friends, this is very easy, but like this. Friends, now after rotating this, just apply some pepper powder on top of the egg. You can see, just apply some pepper powder. Now just apply some Kashmiri chili powder. Some 1 or 2 coriander. Friends, now after rotating, just close the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Friends, now you can see eggs became a cricket balls. You can see each side it was nicely boiled. Friends, just leave it like this for another 2 minutes, and after another 2 minutes you can directly eat this. Friends, now this was finished. Just take it and place it on a plate. Friends, this is very easy recipe. Everyone can prepare in your houses. Just prepare this and give it to kids. Definitely they will eat. Friends, I hope you all like this video. Friends, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Try this recipe and comment, and follow me on social media. Links are given in below description. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next videos.